The tolerances are within spec on the starboard actuator. Good.
Cross-reference with the latest revision before sign-off.
The internal consistency looks perfect at the atomic level.
Confirmed. It meets the Airbus standards.
A400M ingot transfer confirmed. Data log integrity verified.
Spectroscopic analysis confirmed. The ingot meets the 99.9% purity requirement for the Airbus hydraulic actuators. It is cleared for manufacturing. Large structural aerospace-grade aluminum lithium alloys for the Dassault Rafale cockpit.
An AGV delivers materials for the Airbus A400M hydraulic lines, including stainless steel wire and the specialized internal reinforcement panels are carefully bonded using aerospace-grade structural adhesive, instantly cured by UV light. The 5-axis CNC machine begins the detailed work on the actuator housing, using fine cutting tools for the internal chambers and external mounting points.
The scan is complete, all green.
Confirmed. Issuing the certificate now.
The robotic spindle slowly oscillates to achieve a mirror-smooth finish. A sensor array then confirms the nanometer level.
The laser rapidly and precisely etches the component's unique serial number, batch code, and certification stamps.
robotic system places the housing component into a specialized shell, immediately fed into an industrial vacuum sealing machine.
The individually sealed Airbus A400M hydraulic actuator housings are loaded onto an automated pallet.
We need these A400M sets consolidated for the priority uplift.
Copy that. Scanning the manifest now.
Bring it in slowly now. Watch the clearance.
Confirm secure, Supervisor. All locked down.
Cross-referencing the manifest now. Lot number matches.
And the fluid lines are exactly as specified, 1.5 meters. We are good to go.
Confirm the pallet is secure.
Roger that. We are bringing the hydraulic lines up to the main spar now.
Bolting complete. Torque is nominal. Confirmed on the readout. Seat integration is a success.
Okay, initiating the cycle now.
Smooth travel and stable pressure. Confirmed successful rigging.
The oscillation levels are well within tolerance. The secure fastening ensures a long operational life for the product.
Data confirms optimal performance, zero anomalies.
Confirmed. Let's finalize the sign-off.
Full left, full right, full forward, full aft.
Controls checked. Hydraulic stable, pressure in the green.
As the A400M climbs steeply, the Process B high-level flow of fluid.
Demonstrating flawless performance, the internal hydraulic system, powered by robust dark blue fluid lines, allows the
The engineer verifies torque retention with a digital gauge. The laser-etched serial number provides traceability.
Experiencing heavy buffeting, applying counter pressure.
Systems check green. Well handled.
The cargo ramp operation relies on seamless hydraulics. As heavy vehicles load,
The successful actuation confirms the precise installation of the hydraulic network. The movement is powerful, yet fully controlled.
All indicators are green, sir. Pressure, flow, and temperature readings are optimal after cycling.
Perfect. Time to finalize the certification. We are good for flight.
Access panel 49er is secure.
Confirmed. Checklist complete for starboard wing.
Flaps articulating smoothly. Confirmed. Rigging checks passed.
Warning. G-force parameters at maximum threshold. Structural integrity, nominal.
The digital gauge confirms the fitting has not loosened, verifying longevity. The sharp laser etching ensures
Excellent control inputs. Note the fluid line stability during max turbulence.
Maintaining maximum pressure on the hydraulics now. Green, green, green. Flawless execution.
massive control surfaces deflecting precisely and instantly, relying entirely on the integrity of the high-pressure fluid transfer system.